Meg Malone, Environmental Sustainability Specialist, and we are extremely excited to announce that Estancia Estates is the 2014 recipient of the Constellation Brands Sustainability Award. The Estancia team won the award because they are energetic, collaborative, innovative, and an environmentally conscious winery family. We are so proud of their environmental commitments that we could go on and on, but instead, let's let the Estancia family tell their own sustainability story. Julian Philemon and George Valdez created and installed a closed-loop system with glycol instead of water for their cash still setup in the lab.
We knew we used a lot of water, but we had no idea how much. So we went out there and actually measured the water, and I was amazed. We used 1 gallon per minute. And we use this setup 8 hours a day. So imagine 60 gallons per hour, they just go to the drain. And also extrapolated for 1 year, and that will add up to 180,000 gallons per year. And George here helped me out with these fancy copper connections, which allows me to cool down the serpentines in parallel. So every capsule here gets glycol in the same time.
Operations at Estancia have installed the toilet float, which helps to avoid overfilling tubs and wasting water when multitasking in the cellar. George Valdez and Moises Serrano demonstrate that operation.
And it's pretty much just basically a what you see in your standard toilet. It's just a mechanical float, a mechanical device that as soon as the water gets to a certain level, this is adjustable. It gets to that level, it just shuts off the water. And it just prevents the spills.
The way I designed this prevents this to come out of the tub. So that way it'll go in and goes in, and then it will hold this against it and won't let it come out.
The cellar crew has devised a method to reuse the water after blowing out the lines. Jose Valdez and Angel Landa demonstrate that operation.
We just finished sending the wine to our blend tanks, and we're about to blow the line right now. So basically with this, we connect the line to the water tank. We push the wine with the water, and he catches it over there. I would say we do this 10 times during the day. We would save around 400 gallons every time we push the line. About 4,000 to 3,000 gallons a day.
Sal Valdez gives us another example of how the winery is conserving water.
So I'm gonna make a small demonstration on these 2 buckets. These are 5-gallon buckets. So as you can see, without a nozzle, we waste, in a process of 10 seconds, we waste 5 gallons of water. And with the nozzle, we just use like a gallon and a half of water. So this is how much you can save if you use a nozzle.
Roger Behrens oversaw the construction of the 4,400 solar panels.
Our solar panels were installed around March of 2011. We have 4,400 panels covering every roof we have in the facility, plus a couple of freestanding structures that were installed for the purpose. We produce about 1.65 million kilowatt hours per year of solar. It takes care of about 78% of our usage.
Jason Melvin has introduced innovative vineyard technologies.
We've adopted the use of soil moisture probes. They're sensors that are in the ground. They tell me how much moisture is in the soil. It helps me determine how much to irrigate and how long to irrigate so that we're getting water exactly to the roots, so that we're not using too much or too little water. And then over here we have the sensor in the ground It goes down to 4 feet. There are sensors every 6 inches so that I can monitor the whole depth of the soil profile. So as this device works, the weeds are cut, they're turned over, and then they're reincorporated back into the earth, adding organic matter back to the ground. This is an alternative to using herbicides, which would just burn the plant, and we wouldn't get any benefit of the organic material.
Gina Miller has been instrumental in introducing drought-resistant plants and overseeing recycling operations.
So what we did was we replaced 5,400 square feet of grass that was in this area, and we replaced it all with drought-resistant plants, as well as the wood chip coverage. As with any winery, we generate a lot of garbage. The trick is being able to know how to separate the garbage going into the landfill and what we recycle. So here at Estancia, we've educated all our employees, and they have done a tremendous job on figuring out what they need to do. So we have reduced what we send out to our landfill by 47%. Last year we did it 21%. So, you know, we're starting to stabilize now, but now the goal is really to start even eliminating more that's going to the landfill, and that's going to be our goal within the next year.
So to see this come to fruition, I think it was kind of piecemeal. As the ideas came flowing in, the thing with the cash stills that Julian presented, and then the tubs to catch the push water out in the cellar. And over a short period of time, you realize that, hey, this thing's really gonna make a difference. And it really took hold in the winery. Everybody got excited about it. And I don't know, this is the ultimate to get the award and see that whole thing come to light. I mean, it's made it all really, really worthwhile. So we're stoked.
And there you have it, environmental commitment at all levels, and perhaps more importantly, a winery family that is collaborative, innovative, and environmentally conscious. Estancia Estates, congratulations on being the 2014 recipient of the Constellation Brands Sustainability Award. Keep up the amazing work.